Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to delete a post on BeReal. Now this is fairly simple to do. So the only thing you have to do is you have to post a BeReal first. After you post a BeReal, you can click on your BeReal. As you can see here, we cannot actually delete. So what we will have to do is go back and go to three dots here. Now, as you can see here, we can click delete my BeReal, and here you can pretty much just select other, or you can select bad content or anything like that. It doesn't really matter. And then you can see you can delete your BeReal down below. Now, as you can see, the deletion of your photo will be final. You can only do one deletion per day. So make sure to know this. You can only delete one BeReal post per day. So again, make sure to know this, and then you can click delete. And then as you can see, we don't have any BeReal. And if we go to discovery, the content is hidden because we haven't posted our BeReal. So that's pretty much how to delete a post on BeReal. If you want to know more about BeReal, we have posted many tutorials about BeReal. So if you want to check it out and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching.